All right, let me show you how to basically log your journey. You can do it by creating a blog post or creating a video. If you create your own video, you can put that here and then click on this is my video, and it will write the post as if you're kind of explaining whatever you're talking about in your video. You can log your journey that way if you're a video person. Put the video on YouTube, but then also you want to come here and log your income every day. If you earn a fast start commission from AkashX, come in here and log that. If you make money trading that day, come in here and log that. And then it'll start showing up like this. And any commissions that you earn from the system will automatically show up here in the income log on the day that they were earned. You don't have to log those. But then trading profits, you can come and put in. And then if you earn money from AkashX or you earn money from Facebook or YouTube or TikTok or whatever, just come here and log that. And what'll happen is when you go and somebody goes to your blog and they go and see your income, they'll see your journal here. And then the other way that you can document it is by creating income proof posts. You can have AI create the post and you can just select the days or the day that you want to have it write a post on, and then click on generate income proof post. Or you can uncheck the AI box and it'll just have a default post that it generates. And I'll show you an example of both of those right now. Here's the one created by AI. And then it has this call to action. All of these call to actions take them to the AkashX presentation. And I will be updating this. This goes to the new webinar platform as well. Then here's the second type of income proof post, and this is the one that's just auto-generated, and it'll just list out your profits here, just a real simple post, and still with the same call to action, or whatever. And that's basically how you log your journey. You can manage the post here. You have a calendar, you can schedule stuff out. If you have videos that or posts that you want to schedule out, like you did the series or whatever, you can do all of that from here and manage it here. Posts that you have scheduled out, you'll be able to move them around and drag them to where you want if you want to change the days or whatever. But yeah, this is how you log everything. Just come to income, log your earnings, then create a post. Or like I said, if you created a video, you can pull that from YouTube and then it'll create a post for you. And you can do it that way as well. That's the end of the video, guys. All right, peace.